Hello there. Whether just starting out, or if you've already gotten your feet wet, I'm sure you're aware by now. The market is a complicated place. But, this series is to explain how investing has changed dramatically over the course of just one calendar year. In 2021, the markets took an unprecedented turn when it comes to readily available market data at your fingertips. Not only can we use this data to study the markets, but it eliminates the need to rely on entities such as media outlets, who are primarily owned by hedge funds who create narratives to push their own agendas. When it comes to trading, information is your number one priority. Of course, at the same time market data was becoming readily available like never before seen, more and more retail were consolidating in online message boards and chat rooms, such as Reddit, Twitter, and other popular social media platforms. That's what they want you to do. With all of this newly accessible data, the last thing the market participants would want is you learning how to access this data, understand this data, and make critical trading decisions based off of this data, eliminating the need for their tools of deception. With data visualization, pattern recognition, and other emerging market strategies, there's never been a better time to learn how to trade off of the most relevant data to shape your decisions in the most accurate way possible. If you feel overwhelmed, no worries. I'm going to try my best to show you where to access all of the most important resources, what to steer clear from, and try to get you to realize just how important your psychology is when it comes to trading. To get you started on the right foot, I'll leave you with this all-in-one bookmark for stock market information that we will be referring to throughout the duration of this mini-course. I hope you're ready to learn, because there's tons of information out there waiting to be accessed. Like my dad always said,